So far we've learned a lot about elephants, and we can only see them from a couple meters away. First of all, this is the first time me actually seeing an elephant in person, which is really cool, and definitely the first time me watching an elephant. But a couple things we learned is that they're an endangered species right now, so they are definitely protected. One of the reasons is poaching, and another is because it takes a long time for the next generation to come along, because the babies stay in their mom for 2 years. So that's pretty insane to think about. Right now there's 9 elephants, including 2 babies. There's 1 male, the rest are female, and then 2 babies, a boy and a girl. So.
Yeah, and we're in Sumatran forest here. This is Sumatran rainforest in northern Indonesia. It's a dense forest. These are the smallest of the animals, or elephants, that are out there. So that you have your Asian elephants and you have your African elephants. These Sumatran elephants are the smallest of those. And
which is hard to believe, because just the babies are 500 kilos,
yeah. Some
which
of
is
the,
over
the
1,000
larger,
pounds.
one that's 2 or 3 years old is 500 kilos.
That's insane.
So that's over 1,000 pounds. It's about 1,200 pounds. And you think that's a baby, such a little baby. But I do feel better about it because this is they're rescues, and these are ones that they're making efforts in order to be environmentally sound and also respectful of the animals, from what we hear and see so far.
Speaking of environmentally sound, it's so different from the Nile and the Ganges, where they would do everything in that river. Like the Nile, they would throw their trash, they'd use the bathroom, wash, and drink that water. And they don't even put the elephant poop near the river. They poop over here, and then they throw it into like this little grass area, because they don't want it in the river, because so many people depend on it, which is very different from what we've seen in other rivers, where millions of people will depend on the Nile or the Ganges, and they don't treat it with the same respect as they do here.
Yeah, and it's pretty cool to see that, and for them, they seem a lot more environmentally educated than others that we've seen so far. So we'll continue.
Yep.